You've said hello, IO. And now it's time to tap into all your ageLOC LumiSpa beauty benefits. But where do you start? With skin conditioning and cleansing, of course. And people often ask if they can use another cleanser with ageLOC LumiSpa IO. The short answer is we don't recommend it. And the long answer is that our ageLOC LumiSpa Activating Face Cleansers have been specifically formulated to work with your LumiSpa IO. Together, they make up the system that helps you achieve the clinically proven benefits your skin loves. The viscosity and rheology of ageLOC LumiSpa Activating Face Cleansers enables precise cushioning and interaction between the ageLOC LumiSpa's silicone head and your skin. Basically, it allows the silicone head to glide over and grip the skin. At the same time, the patented 2-sense motion technology works its magic to achieve profound cleansing, removing environmental debris, dirt, and makeup. Powered by the ageLOC ingredient blend, the unique exfoliating action lifts away loose cells while reducing the appearance of pores and helping promote dynamic skin renewal. It's as sophisticated as it sounds. But to put it simply, using the whole ageLOC LumiSpa IO system together is the best way to get all the clinically proven skin-loving benefits. But the superpowered synergy doesn't end there. Built-in sensors actually detect when it's time to replace your device's silicone head. They also sense when you're applying too much pressure, if you're scrubbing too hard, or if you're moving the device too quickly during your routine. ageLOC LumiSpa IO is super intuitive, super effective, super empowered, specifically for your skin. Now that's how you glow like a pro.